Hey everyone, welcome back to Pixeliota Studio. Today I'm covering a free browser tool every designer needs to know right now. It's called Dither, and it transforms any photo into stunning pixel artifacts in seconds. No install, no account. Let's get into it. Dither is a free browser-based image effects tool. Drop in any photo and instantly get dithering, halftone, ASCII text art, Lego pixel blocks, Bayer matrix, Voxel, LED, and grid effects. All in one place, completely free to start. Drop in your image. Hit shuffle. One click randomizes your effect, filter, and background. Every hit gives a completely different result. Love what you see? Export it. Standard resolution is free. Go Pro for 4K exports, 500 plus premium backgrounds, and smooth 60 FPS video. One-time payment, no subscription. And if you use Adobe Illustrator, check out Pixeliota Studio on Gumroad. We build free and premium JSX scripts that speed up your Illustrator workflow, just like Dither speeds up your image editing. Link is in the description. Dither is live right now at Dither.com, completely free, no sign-up needed. Go try it and drop a comment telling me your favorite effect. Like and subscribe for more tools like this. I'll see you in the next one.